Okay. Baby, where are we right now?
I don't even know.
You don't know what it's called?
I forgot the name. Really, I did.
St. Edward's Park.
There we go.
You guys, if you haven't seen my video recently, there's a video I just did before this one called Connecting with Nature or something. And I was at a place called Bull Creek Park District. It's like huge, long hiking trail.
Bull Creek.
And this one is literally right next to that too. These are like 10 to 11 minutes from our house. So many parks back here. So today we are going on a new adventure. We're getting out together. It's 6 o'clock. So it's not as hot and we got everything packed, ready to go. Let's go hiking, you guys. Hey, you guys, if you have been enjoying my nature videos, my adventure,
Or no cat.
you gotta tell them to subscribe, baby.
Subscribe.
Tell them
Channel. I don't know what it's called. Psych. Soul Session. Cactus or no cactus?
Comment
decide.
below. Cactus or no cactus? Which way should we go, y'all? Comment below. Subscribe. Ooh, there's plenty of cactus. So there's plenty of cactus out here, y'all.
Yeah.
So, even though we didn't go at first the way where the cactus is, we ended up where cactus were. Where's my baby? These beauties. You guys know I see beauty in every single thing when I'm out here. There's so many beautiful things to look at, which is why I love to come outside so much. Not even that hot. We came out at perfect time, y'all. So this is just a quick one-on-one with you guys, just to be transparent and personal. Mentally, I haven't been feeling the best lately, and I know it's because of my own actions and what I'm not doing about it. And so I'm just stuck in this rut, and I really needed this right now, and I'm so thankful to be out here right now. Already it's helping me and making me feel better. I will say to you guys, if you are stuck in a rut,
Let's fix you up there, buddy. Yeah. Stop getting bunched. Yeah, there you go.
he makes sure that
There
I
you
look
go.
crisp.
You're good.
If you are in a rut, anybody out there right now, I promise you it's not going to help if you just stay in that rut and just sit around, because I have a tendency to do that, and I feel worse and worse about myself, and I do get more depressed about the situation. So I'm telling anybody that's watching this right now, if you're going through something mentally, physically, and you're starting to feel depressed or sad, you gotta get up and just change that energy. Do whatever makes you feel happy, because the more you sit, the more you're not gonna feel better about it. So yes, I love you guys, and I want the best for you, and sometimes I fall short. I'm not always happy, but I know that the way I'm able to heal myself is through nature always, whether that's through my herbal teas. You guys know I love doing that, or just being in nature. This is amazing right now. So yes, gratefulness. Oh my god, you guys, there's those pretty dragonflies. Look, the ones that I saw at Bull Creek.
I'm gonna put my mask on now.
He's gonna put, he has his training mask on. You guys.
talking to me, so I'm putting on my mask.
Okay. Ooh, look, berries. Don't these remind you of like Christmas time? I don't know what these are. Can anybody comment below if they know what this is? I would love to know. Are these berries that you can eat, or am I gonna die? Yeah, y'all, so this is a cool trail. Like, it's not like, it's just dirt paths, so if you do get lost, you know, there's little markers everywhere, which is great. Boom. Ooh, look, which way? Do y'all want to go this way or this way? Comment below. That way. Let's go that way. Let's go that way. Come on. This is cool. Hey, 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 hey. This is pretty sick, man. It's crazy. It's beautiful, but it's like a spooky beautiful, you know? I love him so much. He's so funny to me. Gotta breathe in that fresh air, man. Makes a huge difference. All this green is just healing me right now. So thankful, you guys. Honestly, I've been really emotional lately. And this is just, God, look at this. It's just so beautiful to see. So thankful. Oh yeah, there's supposed to be waterfalls out here. So I really hope we find those today. And it's a really long trail. You can go every which way, and I just hope we end up finding the waterfall because I have my bathing suit on. And I definitely want to jump in the water off my butt. Ow! Ow! Something pricked me for real. Ow, that shit hurt. Ouch. Uh-oh. I hear people down here. This way. Does this mean there's water? I think I hear water. Dominique, stop freaking poking me. I smell water. You know how it smells like that river water? Ooh, it's water! I would go swimming, but it doesn't seem so fun. Let's do it. It really stinks over here. Smells like poo-poo. He wants to climb up here. Okay. We walked a little bit. And this is our view. We get to look down at all the water that's down there. Whew. Can you breathe? Whew. Whew.
This is live. We live, baby. We live.
Love, baby. Cause I want ya and I need ya.
Drink that water. When you drink that water, like a freaking commercial out here. Ooh. Oh. Water.
You ever drink water and you have gum in your mouth that's super cold?
Yes.
It hurts.
Oh. She's gonna skip to my freaking loo. Yeah, that's right. You skipped your little ass over there. That's right. You twerk that. Don't run. if you fell, boy, I would laugh my anus off. Not even ass, just anus. She's trying to be cute in front of the camera.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, where we going? That one looked dangerous. Oh my god. Wait, no, I'm kidding.
Which way do you want to go?
I have no idea, honestly, what looks crazy or not.
Let's
I just
go.
know this is freaking awesome.
The altitude is getting higher. You can feel it. The angle's crazy.
Love it. It means my mask is working. I'm going to put it back on now.
Fuck, I want to drink what you're drinking.
Oh no.
Actually on the hunt for a good stick to use as decoration in our home because I had an idea to do wall decor with a stick. Papa, I think, found some. He's trying to forage some good sticks. Yep. So we are on the hunt for a good, nice wall hanger that I can create my own dream catcher / crystal hanging stick with feathers and all that. I have a really cool idea. I wish I was really knowledgeable at this point to know what herbs are what, and from the wild, like wild caught herbs, because then I could, you know, harvest my own herbs when I'm out if I know what's what. Wouldn't that be dope, y'all? What is he making noise about? Ooh, yes! Yes, yes, yes. He found a really good stick, y'all. Look at that. He's a man, baby. He's a man, baby. My hunter. Those cool ass stairs. You guys see those? Thank you. Let me take some pictures of his cute ass. Perfect stick for the wall. I want this one. Because I don't know if there's creepy crawlies. My baby found a really good one. Yes, that's so perfect for the wall. You have to clean it off, of course, but I love him. I found like the perfect one. I'm so happy. It's a good size, right, guys? I love it. Comment below, do you love this? Yes or no? Because it's about to be a wall decoration. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Hey, 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 hey. Get it, get it. Ow! Ow! Papa found our stick. I'm gonna clean it when I get home. Good job, babe. I'm so excited to decorate this. It looks like an antler. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So thankful. Now we gotta figure out how we're gonna hike with this and bring it home. I hear
That
people.
was pretty dope.
That stick?
Yeah.
Look, you really enjoy finding sticks now, huh?
I'm just looking.
I hear people. I hear people over there. Let's see where this takes us. Hope it's another water area. Trying to catch the sunset with me, baby. You wanna have a date? Yeah, you gonna feed me watermelon?
Did you bring it?
Yeah. I did, so you can feed me watermelon and hydrate my body. How cute this is, you guys. Love, 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 baby. And Papa finds them. Oh, don't mess that thing. That is a dope piece right there. That's a dope piece. It's a really dope piece. He's like on the hunt. I know. Now he sees the love. Honey. Love you. I love you. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's butterflies everywhere. Just watch. Do you guys see them? Comment below. So beautiful. Look at those butterflies around him. Hi, baby. Without us knowing it, we're gonna catch the sunset. Took us a while to get out today. And basically the sun will be setting while we're out here, so it's perfect timing, you guys. He doesn't want me to help at all. Literally, we found some good sticks. Actually, he found them, you guys. He found the best sticks. And he just doesn't want me to help, so we'll see how we're gonna get through all this mess. I'm so excited to like clean these and decorate these and, you know, put elements of nature into our home more. So yeah, we walked all the way to the top of the path we were at. And now we'll walk right back because the sun is setting. I love my man. Honestly, it's nothing that turns me on more than like getting back to basics, you know. People like foraging for their own herbs and home decor. Like this is everything to me. Finding my own home decor that I'm gonna create on my own, you know, that we had a part in together. So awesome sauce. Yes, we are officially done. We're done. We're getting up out of here. We got our sticks.
It's 8 o'clock on the dot.
Street. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any other places you want to see me explore in Austin, Texas, comment below and I'll make sure to make a video on that because everything's really, really close. We are going somewhere early tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for that video. It's a 2-hour drive. It's really a popular place to go. I'm super excited to show you that place.
Oh yeah, and you know I was wrong in the song. It ain't no 8 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock.
It's
That's what it
it.
says. Obviously, it was a joke. All right, don't be, you know, salty and everything just because I made a joke.
For those of you that didn't know,
Usher Raymond.
USHERRA.
YMOMD.
Tell me what you want to do to me.
You messed up, Steve.
Singing like Jodeci.
Boo.
Yeah.
Boo.
Shut up. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Hey.